Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government-sponsored co-ed English medium school has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Students, so further up till means what I have done with the assertive sentences transformation with the degrees of comparison, and now we will start with the types of sentences. Now there are three types of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Understood? So what is the simple sentence? See, these are the features that we can find in the simple sentence. Number one is that independent clause, means it has its own subject and its own predicate. No need to be dependent on others. Complete thought, means complete sentence, contains subject and predicate. For example, the boys went to the park. Okay, no who, which, no kind of means no kind of any kind of other means this clause is the independent, any kind of dependent, no. So the boys is the subject and went to the park is the predicate. So this is the simple sentence. Next comes about the compound sentence. Two or more independent clauses and but, these two are used, joined by a conjunction that I told, that is and but you have to write, connected by a comma. Okay, you have to write one comma. See, for example, I have given the boys went to the park but did not go to the zoo. Now here comma is given and but, this conjunction is also given. So whenever you will find that and but, this type of conjunctions are given and two or more independent clauses are there. Okay, so in that case you will understand that this is an example of the compound sentence. Next comes about the complex sentence. Now what is a complex sentence? Now complex sentence has also one independent clause and two or more dependent clause are also there, starts with who, which, where, as, though. Okay, so unless, this type of words are used in the complex sentences. It can also, in some sentences you can find that some commas are given. For example, the boys didn't go to the zoo because they went to the park. The boys didn't go to the zoo because they went to the park. So here because is given, that means this is the example of complex sentence. So these are the three variations of the simple, compound and complex sentences. Now I will give you some of the examples so that it will be clear to you in which way you have to transform from simple to complex, from complex to simple, or from simple to compound sentences. These are some of the examples that I want to tell you. He pleaded for his innocence. Pleaded means in Bengali khoma chawa. Okay. So he pleaded for his innocence means he is begging for his innocence actually. So it is written in the simple sentence. Okay. So here in the bracket it is given that you have to transform into the complex sentence. That means you have to write who, which, what, that, although, though, this type of words you have to use. Only you have to keep it in your mind what word fix in the sentence. Now he pleaded for his innocence. He pleaded that he is innocent or he was innocent. He was innocent. Why? Because here pleaded, ed is given. So you have to write he pleaded that he was innocent. He pleaded that he was innocent. Now number 2, I know her name. Okay, so this is also written in the simple sentence. You have to change into complex sentence. So you have to write in this way, I know what her name is. I know what her name is. So I have changed into complex sentence using what. Next comes, he is a boy who has married. See, it is written who is there, so you can understand it is not written in the simple sentence. So in which sentence it is written? It is written in the complex sentence. Okay. So here if I write to tell you in the simple sentence, then what will you write? He is a meritorious boy. Okay. He is a meritorious boy. So this is the sentence that you have to write in the simple sentence. So from now you can understand that in simple sentence the sentence becomes smaller because it has only one subject and one predicate. Now as he is rich, he cannot understand the suffering of the poor. See here, as is given, what kind of sentence? Complex sentence. That means you have to change into simple sentence. Okay. So whenever you will find, remember, whenever you will find as in a sentence, whenever you will find as in a sentence, you have to start the sentence with being. Okay. Again I am repeating, whenever you will find as in the sentence, you have to write being. So being rich, he cannot understand the suffering of the poor. So you have to change the meaning, you cannot change the meaning of the sentence, you can change the form into simple form. You have to write in this way, that being rich, he cannot understand the suffering of the poor. So this way you have to change from simple to complex, from complex to simple, vice versa. The rule you have to understand, that is all, and you will be well aware which way you have to change it. Of the examples I have given here also, he is not a man to tell a lie. So you have to change it into the complex sentence. So what you have to write? He is not a man to tell a lie. So he is a man, or he is the man who cannot tell a lie. He is the man who cannot tell a lie. Next one, I could not attend the class on account of my illness. On account of my, whenever you will find on account of my, that means it is written in the simple sentence. So you have to change it into the complex sentence. He could not attend the class on account of my illness. So, sorry, I could not, as I was ill, I could not attend the class. So, as I was ill, I could not attend the class. As I was ill, I could not attend the class, if it is written in this complex sentence. Next one, he is too lazy to shine in life. Now, whenever you will find T-O-O-2, then you have to write so. Okay, so you have to write he is so lazy that he cannot shine in life. He is so lazy that he cannot shine in life. Next one, in spite of getting the news, he was not happy. Okay, so whenever you will find in spite of, you have to write though. So you have to write in this way, though he got the news, he was not happy. Though he got the news, he was not happy. One thing you have to be clear in your mind, that in which tense it is written. You cannot means you should be aware of the tense. Understood? Though as it is written in the past tense, you have to write in the past tense. See, I have written in the past tense that though he got the news, he was not happy. So in this way you have to know in which way you have to change from simple to complex and vice versa. So now I have given some of the exercises that you have to do in your notebook, okay, and in which way I will know. First of all, when you will look at my video in the YouTube, okay, then what you will do, in the comment section write down the answers. I can check the answers if you write in the comment section, understood? Otherwise what will happen, I will not be able to know that what are you writing. So after you go through the YouTube video, then I have what are the exercises that I have given you, try to solve. If you are I will give you the answers after some time, but try to solve so that I can know that what you have written in the comment section. Number 1, I have written, he asked where the girl was. This is written in the simple sentence, means you have to convert it into the simple sentence. It is written in the complex sentence. Next one, you need not ask who I am. This is written in the complex sentence. You have to change in the simple. This one also you have to change in the simple. He has such a little income that he cannot support his family. This one also you have to change in the simple sentence. And number 4, he will not read unless he is compelled. What is the meaning of compelled? Means forced. Okay. So he will not read unless he is compelled. It will also, you have to change it into the simple sentence. So write in the comment section so that I can check, and also write your so you can write the answers and I will check it. Now in the next video I will teach you from simple to compound sentences, and from compound to simple sentences, from complex to compound sentences also. Till now, stay safe and be happy.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.